there's times when you want to read logs from your users when they have a crash in their app, and Firebase will actually help with that. So whenever a user has a crash in their app, it'll be sent to Firebase, and you can read that. You can see what line code it's on and when it happened. And this is a very good test for figuring out bugs in your app that you never knew that was there. So how you can do that is you need to create a Firebase account and add an app, and then go to Tools, Firebase, and then Crash Reporting. Set up crash reporting, just press connect to Firebase, and I'll start doing some stuff. Now just press connect to Firebase. If you can't connect, you might not be logged in. You have to log in through up here. And that's registering. App. Add crash reporting. Accept. Now here we need to connect our app into our Firebase console. So let's open up our Firebase console here. And mine's called Crash Report. And I'm just going to click the Android guy. Now I'm going to get the package name. Now to get the package name, you can go to App, right click App, and then go to Open Module Settings. I think it's Flavors. Yep, it's Flavors, and then just copy that. App nickname, Crash Report, register. You want to download this JSON. Then you just want to put this in a folder here. There we go. Now where does this go? It goes right in App. So we need to go into the project. Oops. Project over here. And then just drop it in App. And then just listen to what it says. So continue. And I believe we already did that with the... Trying to erase anything on there. It's supposed to be Google Services.json, and that's it. It's going to overwrite it. And now we need to see if it's actually the dependencies are there. We have crash. Yep, we have it. So now let's try and test it. Do we have 3.0? Okay, I'm going to add these. Okay, now sync. Make sure you also have your internet permission on, and make sure your airplane mode is off. Mine was actually on before, and I had to fix it. I was scrambling around trying to figure out what was going on, and my airplane mode was on. So now, whenever there's an error, it'll show up in our console. So I'll show you. So if we do 0 divided by 0, for example, Oops. Start this up. And it crashed. Just kind of reload the crash reporting here. Now we see that one user in 5 instances, that's because I tested it. On line 14, there was a crash. Yeah, now and now there's an error there. It'll actually show every error that happens. And now we can close this issue. Now let's try and figure out a different issue. So let's just do a null exception. We have a string name, which is null, and then we're just putting it to string. Now let's play that, and it should crash. And it crashed, and now there should be something in here. Now I ran that a few times, and now as you can see, we have 12 pretty much crashes, 3 issues. So an issue will actually show up in here. I should close them beforehand. So these are issues, and generally what I found is that if a exception actually crashes the app, it actually won't show in here. But there's another way that you can make it show, which I will say that in the next video.